Not all quadratic equations can be solved by factorizing. If we can't solve them by factorizing, we might be able to use the quadratic formula. The general quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, and c are numbers. The quadratic formula is shown here. X is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a, where the a, b, and c in the formula are these values. So consider x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. Remember, x squared means 1x squared. If we compare with the general formula above, we can see that a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, and c is equal to 2. We can now substitute into the formula. X equals minus b. If b is minus 3, then minus b must be 3, plus or minus the square root of minus 3 all squared, take away 4 times a times c, all divided by 2 times a. So we have x is equal to 3 plus or minus minus 3 all squared is 9. 4 times 1 times 2 is 8, all divided by 2. So we have x equals 3 plus or minus the square root of 1 all over 2. So x is equal to 3 plus or minus 1 over 2. This gives two solutions. X is 3 plus 1 over 2 and 3 minus 1 over 2. This is 4 over 2, which is 2, and 2 over 2, which is 1. For this first example, I deliberately chose a quadratic that could be solved by factorizing. Let's factorize into two brackets. We have x and x. For the 2, we need 2 and 1. Let's have both as minus. Minus 2 times minus 1 is plus 2. Minus 2x minus another x is minus 3x. The first bracket gives x equals 2, and the second x equals 1. Note these are the same solutions that we got using the quadratic formula.